Hello everybody again, and welcome back to the vlog. We've got a lot of updates for you guys today. So yesterday I ended up getting up nice and early, brought the truck in, got it washed. Ended up dropping off the truck yesterday to my buddy's shop, who's helping me just take care of some of the insulation stuff that I wasn't able to do on my own in the garage here. Honestly, quite frankly, I didn't feel like doing it at all. It's cold, and they've got all the tools, the extension, everything you need to get the job done. So we're getting ready to head over there today, check up in on the status, maybe see what's going on. We do have a box that I'm gonna show you guys that just came in from our friends at Really Custom Fab. So I'm excited to kind of get into it, and we'll go from there. So I'll be right with you guys. Let's show you what's going on over here. So what do we have here? Really Custom Fab. Don't mind the stickers. Actually, I'm not gonna show you guys what's in there right now. There are a few components in there that we will unbox a little bit later, but there's one component right now that I'm gonna go and bring over to RJ, who's helping me out do this. So we're gonna head over there right now. I'm super excited to take a peek and see what the progress has been made. Alright guys, we're here at RJ's. We're going to take a peek in this box. This is a fine piece of machining. So this is the Really Custom Fab intake horn. I think this replaces like the 2 3/4 inch or 2.5 inch that comes stock from the factory. So I just want to put out this powder coating is beautiful. The welds are awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that. I went with candy red, and I'm super excited for this. So this is what I'm gonna give to RJ right now. He's gonna get this installed along with the rest of the stuff that's going on, and I'll see where I can kind of fill you in as bits and pieces as we go along here. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm doing the best that we can here over at RJ's with, trying to mind my own business, but staying out of his way also. So I'm gonna be coming in and out and cutting in and out of videos, kind of just explaining things as we go along. So I just, again, wanted to take a look at the intake horn over here versus the factory stock OEM one, which is very restrictive. If you wanna look at how restrictive this thing gets, comes from, looks like a 3-inch diameter down to, I don't know, 2 3/4 inches. Take a look from Really, and it maintains its 3-inch diameter all the way through. So can't wait to get this on. And I know when Really had their truck over at calibrated for the their dyno runs, that they're picking up about, I don't know, 10 to 12 horsepower just with the intake horn alone. So definitely excited for this component to go on the vehicle. All right guys, leaving the shop real quick. I just got a shipment notification from Really Custom Fab and UPS that something else showed up. So I'm gonna run home, I'm gonna grab that real quick. We're gonna unbox that, bring it back here, and we're gonna get that installed as well. So this is just all coming together. I'm super excited. So all right everybody, so we just got back home, and just as how I had expected, we have a package. I don't know if everybody can see this, but this is another package from our friends over from Really Custom Fab. Jason over there and Ryan have been awesome. So I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to get this opened right now. One knife, the first really unboxing I've done with you guys, but it's not going to be the last. Sticker. Invoice. I actually don't know what this is. Not sure what this is either. That's what we wanted to see. See if I can be careful with this. Here it is. Here's that candy red. Look at this. All right, guys, we're back at Lawless headquarters here. All right, guys, so what we're doing right now is we're removing the S&B cold, what is that, an air intake elbow?
Yeah, what you call air intake.
Cold air intake. Really Custom Fab was generous to send us their own intake elbow piping that fit with the factory S&B box. So that is what we're going to be installing right now. So please stay tuned. So what did they give us here? We've got
cold air intake, filter.
They gave us a new filter. I didn't know we were getting one of those.
A boot.
A boot.
And then the bag for the filter.
Bag for the filter. All right. So what are we doing right now?
Swapping mass airflow sensors.
That's right. This is obviously probably going to hook up to the intake horn.
Yep.
That's my assumption at least. Guys, everybody here wants me to make this a 1,000 horsepower truck right now. I don't know why, because the Fords can't keep up in the back as it is.
Looks great. Boy. I'm going to buy a 670.
Dude, I like how you don't, stuff doesn't bother you. All right, so RJ, what are we doing right now?
Pulling the hot side pipe out.
Okay. And what do we have to do to get that? You getting the clamp?
Yep. Lower clamp, upper clamp.
Okay.
Should slide right out.
All right. Look at this thing. Let's go look at. Let's compare this to the new one.
Yeah, head tech. Why don't you go compare that, Tom?
Wow. All right, guys. The moment of the truth. We are writing the Motor Ops tune onto the truck. Hopefully, we don't have any issues. Hopefully, it writes successfully. We are finished. Coolant is in somewhat. What is this? This is the hot side.
Upper radiator hose, intake.
So we will see what happens. All right, guys, here's the update. Everything's installed, nothing's leaked. We got most of the coolant back in. The WC Fab pipes are installed. We're just throwing the truck on the lift right now. The Whirly Fab downpipes on. We are taking we're putting the Flow Pro exhaust on right now. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Flash motor ops tunes in. That wrote fine. I have a couple codes, but we're going to work through that with them tomorrow. But it started. Everything's actually really successful tonight. I love the color. I love the tubing. I love everything that was sent to me. So they're very, very, very impressed by their product. So we'll be with you guys in a little bit. We're just gonna try to get some more footage here and there, and then, you know, I think when I put this video together, actually, it's probably gonna be a cluster, but I'll try to narrate here and there as I can. I'll be putting some pictures in between, and, you know, hopefully it comes out good, but I'm super excited. RJ, would you say for the most part that the fitment of the Flow Pro is pretty decent?
Yeah, I think it fits really good. Clears everything, doesn't touch any of the cross members.
Yep, I think so too. All right, everybody, we are back at home. We got the truck here. We are flashing a different tune into it. In the meantime, I did want to take a minute and I wanted to recognize this package that we got today. So, all right, guys, we're digging into the package here, as you can tell. Flow Pro sent this to me. I really appreciate them. They reached out to me on Instagram actually and said, hey, thank you for showing us some love. Would you like an exhaust tip or merchandise or apparel? And I said, absolutely. Sent on my shipping address, and they sent me a nice little package. So, shirt inside, nice exhaust tip. Let's see what we got in here. This is a 5 to 7 inch. So I have a 5 to 6 inch on right now. I'll show you guys as soon as I get the truck cleaned up, probably in the next video, but this is a 5 to 7. I wasn't sure which one I would like, but they sent me this. This is sponsored by Flow Pro, and I appreciate them, and I definitely thank you for this. Let's see what kind of shirt I got. Flow Pro. Horsepower you can hear. So thank you guys, we appreciate this. We'll definitely be wearing this in some of the upcoming videos. So I'm impressed with your exhaust so far, and we're gonna get some exhaust note reviews and do some of that stuff in the future for you guys. So again, I appreciate it. Thank you, Flow Pro, for sending this over to me. Really, really appreciate it. All right, everybody, we are finally back home. It's been about a week since I dropped off my L5P and had all that work done to it that you've just seen. I know that there's a lot of missing pieces and some components and stuff that I wasn't able to film, but I'm gonna cover all that stuff in upcoming videos, so make sure that you guys are tuned in. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a lot of stuff coming for this truck. I can't wait for its summer. It's like a taste of summer right now, 60 degrees upstate New York, so definitely can't complain about the weather. We're going to put the pieces of the puzzle together that we did at the shop in the last week. I'm going to go over that stuff with you in another video and let you guys know what I did. So if you guys like that video, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like, share it, let your L5P buddies know what's going on in this channel, and we'll see you in the next upload, guys. See ya.